Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a 15-part video series showing you how to create luxury modern condominium. Let's get started. To start, let's open a new architecture template. And let's go to level 1 and let's add in our grid lines first. So go to architecture and grid line or GR, keyboard shortcut. And then after that, let's add in our vertical lines first. So I added here. I'm just gonna check this one and uncheck this one at the bottom. And then after that, you can select it and then copy CO and then click on multiply. First, we're gonna do 5900. So 5900. Our units are millimeters. Next one is 5700. 4500. 5700. And then lastly 5900. So we have our 6 grids vertical. Now let's add in our horizontal. So I'm gonna start it here, and then I'm gonna change this to a letter, so A, and then enter. So select the grid line again and then click copy or CO, and then after that click multiple. And then for this one, we're gonna put in 4300, 5400, another 5400, and then lastly a 4300. So we have finished adding our grid line. Now let's go to our south elevation. We're going to add in our levels. So here, so for level 1 to level 2, so I'm going to change this to 3600. And then after that, I'm going to select level 2 again, and then click copy. And then I'm going to click multiple. And then after that, I'm going to add in 3200. So 3, and then 4, and that's enough. So we have 4 levels, and then we're just gonna select the grid lines and we're gonna pull it up like that. So our levels is done. We just need to show it on our floor plan here. So we just need to go to view and then go to plan views, click floor plan, and then select level 3 and 4, and then hold shift to select level 4, and then press OK. And then once you're done, you can see your floor plans here. So actually, we're gonna start on level 2, not on level 1. So let's go to level 2, and here we have our grid lines as well, and we're gonna start adding walls. So go to architecture and then click wall, and we're gonna edit this type. So edit type, duplicate. This will be exterior wall number 1. Press OK. And then we're just gonna change the materials. So the materials is loaded. I'm just gonna select brick common for now and then press OK. After that, let's connect level 2 to level 3. So you have to go here and then choose level 3 and make sure your wall centered and then select rectangle. So I'm gonna make the rectangle first from this end to this endpoint. Simple as that. So I'm just double checking. So next we're gonna add in an interior wall. So click wall again and then edit type. We need to duplicate this and change the name to interior. And then make sure it's number 1. Press OK. Edit type. We're gonna change the thickness to 150 and change the material as well. So let's pick this one, clad white. Press OK and then OK. After that, go to the midpoint, which is C, and then let's create a wall which is 8700. And then after that, go all the way down. So now this is what we created. I'm just gonna highlight. So 87 from the midpoint and then going down. After that, press escape and then select this wall again and then just click create similar or CS for keyboard shortcut, and then here we're gonna add this one and then all the way up 5800. So we're gonna continue the line. So again, CS and select this wall, and then now we're gonna create this wall right here, which is 1100, and then after that 1700, and then close. We're also gonna extend this wall a little bit, and then let's insert some stuff. So go to insert, load family, go back, look for plumbing, architectural, fixtures. So let's add in some bathtub. So let's use the 2D, open, and then let's load more. So let's load some sink. So I'm gonna load this vanity. and some toilet. So go to component, architecture, and then component. Click that one, and we could add in our toilets. Let's create this closing here. So I'm gonna select the wall and then CS and then just add a wall right here. And then extend this. And then let's look for the tub. And let's add in the tub right here. And then the sink. What we can do is we can move it all the way up, and as you can see, we have enough room for the washer and dryer here, and then the sink or the vanity and the toilet. So what we can do right now is add in some doors. So I'm gonna add this door right here for the entrance and for the washroom. As you can see, we have more room here, so we could push this out all the way here and move this like so. So this one will be the one who is moved. And you can actually use detailed line to add more details. For example, for this one, we can add a counter like that. So it looks better. So might as well add in all the dimensions. And of course, we have to put the overall as well. So this one looks good. What we could do is we could add in an interior wall. So press escape, select this wall, and then CS, and then add this wall around 30-50. And if we add or if we insert a bed, we can determine the spacing if it's needed more room. So go to insert again, and then furniture, and then bed, and then let's load this one. After it's loaded, go to component again under architecture, and then we'll be able to see the bed, and let's choose a queen size bed, and we could add it here. So it looks good. It looks like there's more room. This area could be a storage area. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it a little bit upwards like that. So roughly around 3200, or let's see for 3300 like that. And then let's close this up. So select and then CS, and then let's add in a closet. Let's add in a door here, and then a door over the bedroom. And again, let's go to insert again and load family. And let's insert some doors. So go to residential, and then we could add in this pocket 2 panel door. Select all of them. So hold shift and select the one in the bottom, and then press OK, and then load again. And let's load some pocket doors. Press open, select everything. If you know the sizes, you just need to select one. But for me, I just want my selection. I want my options, so I'm selecting everything. You can always purge it afterwards. So now let's go to architecture and then the door. And let's select the double sliding. So I'm selecting the smallest one and adding it right here. You can go to annotate and add in some detail line. So you can select some of this line. So for example, demolish, and you could represent that as a line right here to represent that this is a closet. Just to add more details in the plan. And then now we have our storage. We have our first bedroom. We have our washroom. We're gonna add the door later on for this one. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add in another wall here. This is for the master's bedroom. So select the wall, CS, create similar, all the way up, and then let's close this. After that, this one needs to be at 2800. And then this one will be at around 4200. So usually I just select this, but if the temporary is not at the correct area, you could just hold on to this and then you could put it on the right location. So this one should be around 4250. Or it could be in the middle of this. So just about right. And then we are going to add in another wall, but recess around 300 on this side. Also, we're gonna add in a balcony area here. So we're gonna cut in on this area. So this is a bit smaller. So we're gonna do that later on once we finish this side. So if you want to see the sizing of this, you could add in a bed. This will be around here, and then the end suite will be on this area. So let's go to component and let's add in a tub. So this is our tub. I'm gonna add it right here, and then you can select it and nudge it using the arrow key on your keyboard. Add in the toilet as well. So press escape and then press component again, and then look for the toilet, and then the sink. So we're gonna add two here. So I'm just going to notch this a little bit there, and this one as well. And let's go to annotate and detailed line, and I'm gonna use this rectangle. And don't forget to put it back to the correct line style that you want. So we have the line. So actually it needs to be medium line. So that's good enough. I just want it to be in line with this. And then let's add in the same wall, interior wall right here. And just like that. So this one around 2640. And then this will be a walk-in closet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in walls again. So I'm gonna add walls like that here, and then nudge it inside like so. I want to add in a door. On this side, and as you can see, it's showing an error. So that means there's not a lot of space. So we need to notch this, and I want to double check this side. So that's it. It needs to be 300. and then go to your door and look for the sliding. So you can click one, and then after that you can change it here. So 1700 by 2100. So that's the one that we're gonna use as well on the other side. So here, just select this wall and then click wall opening. And then now you can move it like so. I saw the bifold 2 panels only, so I loaded it, and now I can add it right here. I'm gonna include it on the link in the description so that you can have the 2 panel and the 4 panel as well. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.